You've spent 30 years building your empire, but have you spent 30 minutes building the person who will keep it? You know your company's value to the dollar and every asset it holds. But there's one critical question you might be avoiding. Tell me the name of the one person who will carry all of this forward when you are no longer at the helm. And when did you last have a deep, honest conversation about their readiness? We're not talking about readiness on paper. We're talking about readiness in their nervous system. That's what really counts. Right now, somewhere in your organization or family, there is a person who loves and respects you, but is privately terrified. They are terrified that they will destroy everything you spent your life building, and they haven't told you. How do you tell the person who built the empire that you are afraid of failing their legacy? That silence is not loyalty. That silence is an invisible brake, installed in the next generation, waiting to detonate the moment you hand them the keys. It's time to talk about the world's leading specialist in releasing this brake, Dr. Noah St. John. Known worldwide as the neural performance architect, Dr. Noah St. John has made his clients over $3 billion since 1997. He offers a critical tool to reveal the truth before it's too late, the Heir Readiness Test. Here are 3 questions to ask your successor. Ask them privately, not at a board meeting. Question 1. What is the biggest decision you are afraid to get wrong once I step back? Question 2. When things go wrong and I am not here, who do you call? And question 3. What part of running this organization makes you feel like you are pretending? The answers to these 3 questions will tell you everything you need to know about your heir's true readiness. If they answer with full honesty, you will know exactly where the invisible brake lives in the person you are about to entrust with your life's work. If they cannot answer them honestly, that silence is the answer. It means the brake is already set and disaster awaits. You can try to fix this yourself, or you can bring in the world's leading specialist to release the invisible brake before the keys change hands. Don't let internal fears sabotage your legacy. Get the expert help you need today. Go to noahstjohn.com and book your neural legacy protection audit today. That's noahstjohn.com. The wealth transfer will happen. The only question is whether your heir carries it or collapses under it. Ask better questions, release the brakes, and accelerate your impact today.